Hello, millionaires. Welcome back to Wondrous Millionaires, where we dive into the world of business, wealth, and innovation. Today, we have an electrifying episode that's going to change the way you think about business. We are exploring the top 10 groundbreaking innovations in business that are shaping the future and creating millionaires across the globe. And stick around till the end because we have a special bonus point that will blow your mind. Are you ready to unlock the secrets to success? Let's dive in. Number 1. Artificial intelligence in customer service. Imagine a world where customer service is available 24/7 without a single hiccup. Sounds amazing, right? That's the power of artificial intelligence in customer service. AI chatbots are revolutionizing the way businesses interact with customers. For instance, HDFC Bank's EVA chatbot has handled millions of queries with incredible accuracy. This innovation not only enhances customer satisfaction but also reduces operational costs. How cool is that, millionaires? Number 2. Blockchain for transparent transactions. Blockchain isn't just about cryptocurrencies. It's a game changer for transparent and secure transactions in business. Think about it, millionaires, every transaction recorded and immutable. Companies like Mahindra are leveraging blockchain for supply chain transparency, ensuring authenticity and reducing fraud. This technology is paving the way for trust in business like never before. Number 3. Internet of Things in supply chain management. Ever wondered how your Amazon package arrives so swiftly? The Internet of Things, or IoT, is the magic behind efficient supply chain management. From tracking shipments to managing inventory, IoT devices provide real-time data, enhancing productivity and reducing delays. For example, Tata Steel uses IoT to monitor equipment and predict maintenance, ensuring smooth operations. This innovation is truly transforming logistics. Number 4. Virtual reality for training and development. Training employees can be time-consuming and costly. But what if I told you that virtual reality, VR, can make it immersive and effective? Companies like Tata Motors are using VR to train their staff in a simulated environment, reducing the need for physical resources and minimizing risks. This futuristic approach is not only engaging but also significantly enhances learning outcomes. Incredible, right? Number 5. Renewable energy solutions. Climate change is a pressing issue, and businesses are stepping up with renewable energy solutions. Solar power, wind energy, and biofuels are not just sustainable but also cost-effective in the long run. Take Renew Power, India's largest renewable energy company, for example. They are leading the charge with innovative solutions to meet energy demands sustainably. This shift is not just good for the planet but also for business profitability. Number 6. Big data analytics for decision making. In the digital age, data is gold. But how do businesses make sense of the vast amount of data generated daily? Enter big data analytics. By analyzing customer behavior, market trends, and operational efficiency, businesses can make informed decisions. Companies like Flipkart use big data to personalize customer experiences and optimize logistics. This innovation is helping businesses stay ahead of the curve. Number 7. 3D printing for prototyping and production. Imagine being able to create a prototype within hours instead of weeks. That's the magic of 3D printing. This technology is revolutionizing manufacturing by enabling rapid prototyping and production. Companies like Godrej Aerospace use 3D printing to develop complex components with precision and efficiency. This not only accelerates innovation but also reduces costs significantly. Number 8. E-commerce platforms revolutionizing retail. E-commerce platforms have transformed the retail landscape, making shopping convenient and accessible. From Amazon to Flipkart, these platforms have revolutionized how we buy and sell products. For instance, Myntra's AI-driven fashion recommendations enhance customer experience, driving sales and customer loyalty. This innovation has opened up a world of opportunities for businesses and consumers alike. Number 9. Fintech innovations in banking. Banking has never been more accessible thanks to fintech innovations. Mobile banking apps, digital wallets, and online lending platforms are making financial services more convenient and inclusive. Paytm, for example, has revolutionized digital payments in India, providing seamless transactions at the click of a button. This wave of innovation is making financial services more efficient and accessible to everyone. Number 10. Collaborative workspaces and remote work solutions. The way we work is changing, millionaires. Collaborative workspaces and remote work solutions are enabling flexibility and productivity. Companies like WeWork provide dynamic office spaces that foster collaboration and innovation. Additionally, remote work tools like Zoom and Slack have made it possible to work from anywhere. This shift is not only enhancing work-life balance but also driving business efficiency. Bonus point number 11. Quantum computing. Now for the bonus point, millionaires quantum computing. This cutting-edge technology has the potential to solve complex problems at unprecedented speeds. Companies like IBM and Google are making strides in quantum computing research, promising breakthroughs in fields like cryptography, materials science, and artificial intelligence. This innovation could redefine the future of technology and business. Mind-blowing, isn't it? To sum it all up, millionaires, we've explored the top 10 innovations in business that are shaping the future. From AI in customer service to quantum computing, these technologies are driving efficiency, enhancing customer experiences, and creating new opportunities. Innovation is the key to staying ahead in the business world. Which innovation do you think will have the biggest impact? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your fellow millionaires, and subscribe to Wondrous Millionaires for more exciting content. And don't forget to ring the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching and stay innovative.